Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the car's transmission and control state. If manual, select first, or reverse. If automatic, choose park. Keep your foot firmly on the service brake. Do not release it yet, because you need the car stable. Reach for the handbrake lever with a straight wrist so your hand clears the console. This ensures a clean pull. Once positioned, pull the lever up smoothly until you feel resistance about where the ratchet engages, and prepare. Now you engage the handbrake fully. Pull the lever upward in a controlled motion until you hear the ratchet clicks and the lever stops rising easily. Once the handbrake feels firm, slowly lift your foot off the service brake to test hold. The car should not roll. If on a slope, add 1 to 2 additional clicks for margin and apply gentle steering into the curb on steep grades. Make sure the lever rests in the notch to prevent creep. To finish, keep your foot on the service brake, press the handbrake release button fully, and lower the lever smoothly to avoid abrupt disengagement. Then shift to drive or neutral as needed. If the lever drops without resistance or won't engage, do not rely on it. Use wheel chocks and call a mechanic. Most faults come from stretched cables or seized components. Regular inspection and light lubrication prevent failures. Remember, if unsure, secure the vehicle with an additional method and get repairs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.